Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A10 and today I would like to show you how you can change style of your font on this Samsung. Start by accessing device settings and scrolling down a bit. Sorry, from here. Now you need to tap on display, click on font size and style and go into font style. Now click on one of the available ones and go back. As you can see, style of my font has changed. But you can also go into font size and style, tap on font style, click on download fonts and click on this icon next to one of the available ones. I want to download that one, so I have to click on this icon, wait a bit, then go back and click on it over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!